Hi guys, welcome to a new series called Kit in 60 Seconds, where we show you how to put some kit together in 60 seconds. So, what we got today is we have a camera tray, and let's show you how to put it together. Comes in a bag like this, nice and easy to carry. It's not as heavy as it looks, I promise. So, let's see what is inside. So inside you will find a variety of plastic tubes. They're nice and robust and can be used in pretty much any weather circumstance. I'm just going to use 2 on each side for today, but you can have up to 4. Okay, you'll also find a variety of these grey connectors. Okay, I'll just put them there for now. They can sometimes be stuck together. I need the 2. And we have a camera dolly, okay, and it comes in 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. And then hiding in the bag somewhere, you will find 2 fasteners. Let's have a look to find out where the other one is. Over here. And they look like this. Sometimes they can look like little silver wing nuts. But nonetheless, they will put them together. So, whoosh, over there. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this metal middle connector. And we're going to pop the side with the 2 connectors, obviously, with the side with the 2 connectors. They go in like so. Bosh. And then we grab one of our wing nuts, fasteners, whatever's in the bag. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Doing that with my left hand's not the easiest. And then we flip this around like so. And we pop the other one through there. And again, fasten it up. Cool. There you go, like so. Nice and tight, but not too tight that they become permanent companions. That goes over there. And we go to our track, okay? The way to do these is there's a little gap, give it a bit of a squeeze, and then that allows it to go inside the track. Grab another one, and then that goes in the other end like so. You might need to give it a squeeze to put it in. Give it a twist, and that is part of the track put together. There we go. And these then sit evenly apart. And grab our dolly again. Put it onto the one part of the track, like so, and the other part. There we go. And we have a nice, smooth track. Okay, so let's grab a tripod, one of which I made earlier. If you want to see how a tripod's put together, just click on the top right-hand corner. Okay. And then all we want to do is you'll see a variety of holes on the dolly, and we just want to match them up with the tripod. There we go. You might have to do a bit of adjusting to make sure the tripod's nice and level, but then as and when you'd have a camera on there, you have a nice smooth track. Okay? And that's how to put the track together. Simple as that.